5 Pros and Cons of an Affiliate Marketing Business that you should know. Affiliate marketing is a perfect way to begin your career as an online entrepreneur. It allows you to build a business without having to invest in inventory or products upfront. You simply need to find vendors that sell the products you want to promote and become their affiliate. Once you sign up with them, you get special links that you can share on social media and your website. Whenever someone clicks on the link and buys something from that vendor, you get a commission. This type of business has a lot of benefits, but it also has its fair share of downsides. It's important that you know what you're getting into before you invest your time and money in this venture. Keep on watching to learn more about the pros and cons of an affiliate marketing business. The pros of an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. It's a low-cost business model where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You don't have to create or sell your own products. All you do is use your website, social media, and email marketing to get customers to buy products from your affiliate links. And since you're promoting products that are already on the market, you don't have to worry about creating inventory or shipping and returns. You just need to find the right products that fit your audience's needs and are easy to promote. There are many reasons why affiliate marketing is a great business model, especially if you're a beginner. You don't have to worry about building your own product because the products you're promoting are created by other vendors. You can also test different niches to see which one is a better fit for your audience. Your customer acquisition costs are also much lower since you don't have to pay for advertising. Since affiliate marketing is a low barrier to entry industry, you can outsource all the work if you don't have the time or skill to do it yourself. And you don't need a lot of resources to get started. The cons of an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is a great business model, but it does have its share of downsides. The main downside is that you only get paid when someone buys something through your affiliate links. If you don't reach a large enough audience, you won't earn anything even if you do a lot of work promoting the products. And if your audience doesn't have the money to buy the products, you won't earn anything either. Affiliate marketing is also a very competitive business model. You're promoting other companies' products, so you're not the main focus. You have to find a way to make your promotions more appealing than the other affiliates who are promoting the same products. This can be hard if you don't have a lot to offer. You also have to play by the rules set by the affiliate networks. There are other downsides to this business model, such as the fact that you don't have a lot of control over the sales process. And you don't have any control over the quality of the products you promote. How to find the right products to promote. Affiliate marketing is a numbers game. The more products you promote, the more likely you are to earn a commission. But you also have to pick the right products to promote. Before you start looking for products to promote, you need to figure out your niche and audience. This will help you find products that your audience will find easy to buy and use. You should also look for products that are in high demand. This will make it easier for you to earn commissions. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, you should start with products that are easy to promote, like ebooks, online courses, and information products. You should also check out various affiliate networks to see which ones have products that fit your audience. Look for products that have a monthly payment so that you get paid monthly too. Is an affiliate marketing business right for you? Affiliate marketing is not for everyone. Before you jump into this business model, there are a few things you should ask yourself. First, are you comfortable promoting other companies' products? You're an affiliate, not an employee of the company. You don't have any control over the quality of the products you promote. You're also not responsible for customer service. So you need to be okay with promoting products that you don't have any input in creating. And second, do you have the time and energy to promote your product? You might think that all you need to do is write a few blog posts and share product links on social media. But in reality, you'll be doing a lot of things behind the scenes. You'll need to create an email marketing campaign, write other types of marketing materials, and come up with valuable content to share. Final words: should you start an affiliate marketing business? Affiliate marketing is a great business model for beginners. But you need to understand that this type of business takes time to grow. You can't expect to see an instant riches. You'll need to invest your time and effort in building your audience. And you'll have to test various niches to see which one is a better fit for your audience. If you're ready to take the plunge and start your own affiliate marketing business, make sure you choose a product that you like and that your audience needs. You should also find the right affiliate network to get paid for promoting the products. And lastly, you need to plan ahead and budget your money. Affiliate marketing is a long-term business model. So you can't expect to earn a steady stream of income right away. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.